Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your earning statement on the Dasher app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and find your earning statement on the Dasher app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Dasher app. Next, click on the three lines on the top left-hand corner, then click on Earnings, then click on View Payout Details, then click on Earning Statements. So here's where you'll find your earning statements organized by month and also organized by year. So there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your earning statements on a Dasher app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.